Hi, Fran Torsen here. I have some good news and bad news for you about real estate videos. We'll talk about the bad news first. It costs a fortune to make videos. I don't have time for this. It takes forever to figure out all that technology. That's what real estate agents tell me, even though we know that 73% of homeowners are more likely to list their home with an agent who creates a video for them. Even though we know that there is a 403% increase in inquiries on property listings that have video. Even though we know that 51% of all real estate website visits are on mobile. And still, only 4% of agents post real estate videos on YouTube. Now we'll talk about the good news. Finally, it's easier than ever to create real estate videos. Real Estate Video Kit is going to explode your video presence all over the interwebs. Real estate agents and brokers face three major challenges when they are searching for real estate video templates. One is technology. Let's be honest, it's not easy to figure this stuff out. Real Estate Video Kit templates are designed for use with Easy Video Lab. And if you can type, you can make videos. It's that easy. Second is figuring out what to say in the templates. Templates are, by nature, fill-in-the-blank scenes that require your time and attention. Real Estate Video Kit templates already contain messages to attract home sellers and home buyers in your market area. And you can change and customize those messages any way you like. Third, most templates you see on the market don't have a clear call to action. Most real estate video kit templates have easily customizable calls to action you can personalize as fast as you can cut and paste. With Real Estate Video Kit, you can create templates in a few short moments. Before you know it, you will be posting your videos on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. Post them on your blog. There are no more excuses for not creating video. Not anymore. Click the button now and let Real Estate Video Kit videos engage home sellers and home buyers in your local market and make those people smile. Smiles are the best first step in successful online engagement.